seed, oh little seed, you're in the ground below now. Oh little seed, we'll wait for you to grow now. You're very small, but not for long. We love to sing our winter song. Oh little seed, we'll wait for you to grow now. Grow, 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 little tree.
Oh little tree, you're really growing taller. Oh little tree, you used to be much smaller. So nice and green among the snow, the friendly sun will help you grow. Oh little tree, how lovely are thy branches. Grow, 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 little tree. Oh little tree, you are so big and green now. Oh little tree, you're big as you can be now. We'll sing the tree a lullaby. It's tall enough to touch the sky. Oh little tree, how lovely are thy branches. On Lellobee City Farm.
Hi everyone. I'm feeling a little bit anxious today, but that's all right. My grandma taught me a great way to calm my mind.
5 senses, let's use them all today, and we'll feel so much better in every way. Look around the farm with me for 5 things that we can see.
1, the sun. 2,
The sky.
3,
A tree.
4, a butterfly. And 5,
My cat running by. Follow me around and we'll find 4 things we can feel.
1,
The sun on my skin.
2, the grass on my feet. 3, the bark on a tree. 4, my cat so furry.
I'm already feeling a bit better. How about you?
Now let's all use our ears to find 3 things we can hear.
1, the birds chirp, chirp, chirp. 2, Grandma May whistling away. 3,
My cat going purr, purr, purr. Now we're doing oh so well. Let's find 2 things we can smell.
1, a flower. 2,
A freshly baked cake.
One last sense to use today. Yes, the sense is taste. Let's try that cake. 5 senses, we use them all today, and we feel so much better